Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we're going to be working on this one. I call it Blue Mountains and Pavilions. Came from AliExpress and it is by the Spring Company 11 count. And the color today is 3781, which is kind of a grayish, greenish brown, if you will. So yeah, and I got my little needle minder, and no, it does not match this at all, but it does have those same kind of mountains there. But yeah, I thought we'd work on, oh, I forgot to tell you that part. We're working on the outline of that tree right there. So yeah, I thought I'd get the outline done and then I can go back and do the rest of it. So hopefully you can see everything that's going on here. So yeah, I just felt like doing an 11 count for a while. So we'll see. So how's everybody doing? I hope you're all doing well and hope you're having a great week. I'm having a better week since these are my days off. Yeah, I love that part. So I gotta run into town today and go get a few groceries, nothing too stupendous. I was thinking about making a quiche, basically from scratch, except for the pie crust, because that won't be happening. I do know how to make pie crust, but I'm just not in the mood to mess with it right now. So yeah, I thought I'd put bacon and Swiss cheese and some mushrooms and onions in there and see how that all tastes together. But I haven't lit on a recipe as of yet. I used to have a recipe. That was 40 years ago at least when I had that recipe. It came in one of those I want to call it Better Homes and Garden books, you know, type thing, and I have no idea where that got off to. So yeah, I've slept since then. But at least yesterday was a little bit busier than Monday and Tuesday, so that all went fast. And didn't rain or anything. The sun was out. It was between 60 and 65 degrees. It was just absolutely lovely. And came home and had my split pea soup with ham for dinner. I think I'll have the rest of that chicken tortilla soup today and get rid of it. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I'll make that quiche today. I was trying to think, you know, I want to do it, but I'm kind of putting it off one way or the other. Yeah, I don't know. Can I still do this? Yeah, it's been probably 25 years since I made quiche, at least. So yeah, the only thing I remember about that old recipe was that it took 12 eggs. But the recipes that I've, you know, just kind of been thumbing through them, you know, on the internet, so to speak, and they don't seem to do any more than 4 to 6, so we'll see. So that's why I can't light on anything. I was trying to look at work, and yeah, I didn't get to it when I got home, so moving on, you know. Oh, geez. But other than that, I don't know if I'll get to the thrift store today or not. Probably save that for tomorrow. Tomorrow I gotta go do laundry. Yay! Fun times to be had by all. So, yeah. And let me put that needle where it needs to be, because I finally found that needle that I lost yesterday while I was, you know, doing a video. It was way over here. Yeah. Just laying on the side. Yep, it was right there. I was like, yes, I found it. All right, before I forget, I did have 2 viewers send me 2 pictures, 2 finishes. Congratulations to both of you. They are gorgeous. I will put those right in here. Yeah, they are just absolutely beautiful. And if I've got this wrong, Joy, I think you said yours was a beaded cross stitch of that beautiful owl. You can correct me or tell in the comments below if I've got that wrong, but it's just beautiful. I can only imagine the beads in that. And the one of the blueberries, from Gigi, I don't know what happened. She said that she's been working on that one for 20 years, so she finally finished it. So there's hope for the rest of us, right? But great job, ladies. Great job. If anybody else has any projects they'd like to share that they finished or they're working on, send it to my email address, and that is in the description box below of this video. Just click on the word more and it will be at the bottom. And I will get it into the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can, because we love to see all the stuff. And Joy said that it had check glass beads in it, so I don't know if that was highlights or if it was all of it, so please clarify, Joy. I'm sorry. I am terrible at information. So let me get rid of this and put the needle away so we're not hunting and gathering at the end of the video. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to be working on. You know, I want to do the rabbit, so if it's a nice day today, maybe I can get in my chair and get where all that light's at and work on that for a bit. That would be nice, because I don't have any other, you know, things I have to do in town. I'm just going to run in and get that and come out and go home. And it's supposed to, I don't know, they're calling for snow on either Friday or Saturday. I can't remember what the weather said. I'm trying to keep you in frame here. So, we're trying. So, I don't know if it'll even transpire, so. But it did say cooler in the next few days, so we'll see. We will see. But we're sure not getting a whole bunch of precipitation. That is one thing for sure. So hopefully that doesn't mean it's going to rain all summer long. So we'll see what happens. We had this happen one year, and then, you know, like hardly any snow at all in the winter, and then it snowed in August that year. Yeah, it was like, what the heck? And it wasn't even done with summer, so stuff can happen around here. Whoops, sorry, my bad. I'm a little close. Didn't want to work on any of those lighter colors. Whoops. Nope, nope, nope. Because as this, I don't know if you can see it, as this mountain goes down, and see how it's getting lighter, it'll turn into like yellow, like the sun is shining there. Yeah, I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make some progress here. And there's two symbols. One's green, one's blue. Here we are. We're here again. So, yeah. That's another thing for the light. But, yeah. But I do love this one. It is so pretty. I love all the blues and the greens and oranges. Ugh. And that pavilion. Oh, my goodness. Amazing. And I know, well, I don't know for sure, but I believe this is still available at some of the stores that I do reviews for. So if you're looking for it, and I'm sure they still got it at AliExpress. So, if you're interested, no biggie. Just saying. And I went in there, I was looking for Riverside Building Night Moon. I thought I'd stitch on it. Perhaps some this weekend. Because it seems like we've been stitching on the same thing for about 3 weeks now, and I need a change of pace. You know, sorry, I gotta come this way a bit. My bad. Come on, buddy. How did you get a knot? Oh, come on. Seriously? There we go. Must just turned in on itself or something. So what is everybody else working on? And we got daylight savings time, I believe this weekend. Yep, here we are already. Cannot believe that. So it'll be light till at least 7 o'clock now. Is it still going, I'll call it backwards, or you know what I mean. Staying lighter longer, hello. Yeah, some days. Come here. I don't have to wear my thimble with an 11 count usually, especially these, I'll call them bigger ones, or the ones on these brown, on this brown canvas. It's very nice. It's not as loose as Riverside Building Night Moon, but yeah. But it's time we get those out again. I don't think I've stitched on them in October, November, December, January, or February, so. We haven't seen them for a hot moment. We've been lost in, I'm using them scissors there, right there. You know, the ladies and Watertown for a while, so. Time to do something a little different. It's not that I'm tired of them. I'm just, yeah, I gotta stitch on something else. And this one's easy to stitch on except for that symbol that I was telling you about. Other than that, I can see everything just fine. And I have no idea how many colors this has. Maybe 70? Something like that. So, yeah. Oh, goodness. Actually, I got tired of stitching that yellow that's down here on this one. That's why I quit for a while. I wanted to go find some more of these gorgeous blues, and turquoises, and teals, I believe. Yeah, they're just stunning. Who knows, maybe I'll start on the pavilion, because it's going to be gorgeous too. My friend Jill's got this about half done. Yeah, I'm never going to catch up. Not this week. This has half cross stitch. I don't know if it has any back stitch in it. I can't remember. Maybe on the house? Not real sure. Alright, guys. Let me get to a stopping place here. Then I can put it underneath, out of the way. Then I'll turn it, whoops. Catch the needle, crazy. We'll get, whoops. Come here, you. Whoops. Put this up and let me pull you up. There we go. And I'll just turn it around. But I do love the shading in this. It's just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. But from like this point on, it goes into those yellows. And then there's more, maybe blues up here, but it's still like an orange section. Not orange, yellow. See how it's real light there? So yeah. So I'm just gonna try to get it to lay down. I got it all spread out. Alright guys. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.